Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2015 Kawasaki Ninja 650R. This is Kawasaki's mid-size sport touring motorcycle. It has a 649cc 2-cylinder engine, fuel injected, 6-speed transmission. This is a paint title California bike. Has 4,261 miles on the odometer. This bike is all stock and runs very nice. Has a zero gravity double level windscreen. Has a little bit of cosmetic damage on both sides at lower fairings. Low speed drop. Bike is in good condition other than that. Runs very nice. Nice upright handlebars. Very comfortable for the commute. This 2015 Ninja 650 is a great deal at only $44.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You can reach that 408-730-0600.